Let's talk about Awesome Miner and Mining Pool Hub and how to get up and running in 6 minutes or less. Links are in the description under the video. So let's start off by downloading the Awesome Miner installer. While it's in progress, let's switch over to the Mining Pool Hub registration page. Now I like Mining Pool Hub because they do have low fees, 0.9% compared to 1 to 2% typically. They have a wide variety of coins available. But really the best feature for me is the auto exchange feature. So what's going to happen is Awesome Miner is going to bounce us around to different coins depending on what's most profitable at that point. What Mining Pool Hub will do with the auto exchange feature is collect all those various coins for us and then convert that to the coin of our choice at a fee of 0.2%. So let's go ahead and register, and I'll show you how to set this up here quickly. So once you're registered here, we'll go first to auto exchange. Now, auto exchange coin, you can read the details here. And essentially, I'm going to go ahead and select Litecoin. Now, what's going to happen now is everything that I mine, whatever's the most profitable at that point, is going to be auto exchanged to Litecoin. Now, it may take a couple hours, it may take overnight, but you'll see it slowly feed into your Litecoin wallet, which you can then set to send to you at set thresholds. Now the other setup, and really the only other setup needed for Mining Pool Hub, is a worker name. So what I've done here, and I can go ahead and set up a new worker. The password doesn't matter, just leave it as that. And typically you actually don't even need to set up the worker here. If you mine with a specific worker, it's going to show up here later. Now, because we're using Awesome Miner and the profitability algorithm switcher, we don't need to set any other details here. We're actually done with Mining Pool Hub. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over to Awesome Miner. And we're going to go ahead and configure this to use Mining Pool Hub and the automatic profitability switcher. So when you first open this, you may not have this Mining Pool Hub thing here. So we'll go ahead and add a new miner. We'll hit next. We'll hit Manage Profit Miner. We'll hit next. We can name this whatever we'd like. Miner host is local, which means it's on the specific computer that you're on right now. You're not managing remotely. We'll select AMD or NVIDIA, whatever's applicable to you, and we'll hit next. And what this profit switching profile does for NVIDIA and AMD, it just has some canned hash rates for various algorithms that it can use as a starting point before you benchmark to determine what the best cryptocurrency to mine is at that point. So we'll go ahead and hit next, hit finish, and you'll see this guy pops up here. Now really the only other configuration that we need for this is to actually go to options. Let's go to profit switching. You'll want to check enabled manage profit switching. You'll check Mining Pool Hub. Now with worker name, now this is going to be two different names. It's going to be your login name, as you saw, 6 Minute Crypto, and then a period followed by the worker name. In this case, I had NVIDIA. And you can see that this corresponds to the data here. Again, you can name this whatever you want. When you start mining, it'll auto accept and it'll auto populate on Mining Pool Hub. So now that this has been set up, both the pool and the miner, believe it or not, we just have to start. So I'll go ahead and I'll start mining here. You'll see that the window pops up. Nicehash is the most profitable at this point. We'll give it a few seconds, and you'll see that this will update with an estimated revenue per day. And essentially what it will do at a set interval, every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever you set it to, it will pull Mining Pool Hub. It'll pull different cryptocurrency pricing sites, will determine what is the best coin to mine at that point. $4.10 per day. I have a GTX 1070, so not bad at all compared to some other mining solutions that I was using previously. Show you really quick from a balances perspective. There not going to be a whole lot of data here, but what will happen is you'll get your listing of all the various coins listed on the page here. What you'll see is on exchange, we'll see values listed because those are waiting to be converted to Litecoin in my case. And then you'll finally see your Litecoin wallet grow over time. So again, we'll take a little bit of time to get there. Now, that is really the extent of what's involved with Awesome Miner. So not quite a one-click setup, but fairly straightforward when you're walking through it. Just download the software, register Mine and Pool Hub, configure your auto exchange, and essentially a couple updates on Awesome Miner, and you are good to go. So go ahead, leave some comments below if there's more that you're interested in hearing about, and hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.